Hello everyone, it's 27th November. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. The first page we have Ahmedabad to host 2030 CWG, ready to welcome world, says Prime Minister. Again, very important. Then we have Forest Survey had red flag, but government took green shield of 90% Aravalli Hills. Again, very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have protest against foul air in at India Gate, 6 sent to police custody. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have protest against labor codes. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have daytime pollution sources. 7-year-old Delhi flying blind. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have Noida Hospital Board to explore passive euthanasia for a man in vegetative state. Again, very important for health perspective. Moving forward, we have Constitution guiding document to shun colonial mindset, says President. Again, very important. Then we have behind Shivraj's Moga visit today, no stubble burning. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have India examining Bangladesh's request to extradite Hasina. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have farmers rally in Chandigarh, seek hike in crop loss compensation. Again, very important. Then we have 148 from EWS quota land pricey private medical seats. Again, very important for society perspective. Moving forward, we have let's remember and remind the world of 2611. Again, very important editorial. Moving forward, we have Cabinet clears 2 rail multi-tracking projects for Gujarat and Maharashtra, very important for infrastructure perspective. Then we have Cabinet clears expansion of Pune Metro at rupees 9,857 crore. Again, very important for infrastructure perspective. Going forward, we have World Central Bank wary of AI, struggling to quit dollar. Again, very important for science and tech perspective. Moving forward, we have the world page where we have 36 scale 279 missing in Hong Kong high-rise blaze. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Trump and Witkoff to visit Moscow, discuss Ukraine peace. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Israel launches West Bank ops as Gaza receives 15 bodies. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have how Delhi's air quality monitors work and why their readings can falter. Again, very important for environment perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.